Guys, this is Shashank here. So we'll be discussing about the market overview today. So today Nifty has broken the range bound market. So it has given a green candle closing as well on a daily time frame. So Nifty as of now is looking very bullish to me. So we can expect the market to go to 17,500 levels if the market remains bullish and there is no negativity in the global cues. So this is the Nifty overview on the daily time frame. And if we come down to the 15-minute time frame, the intraday levels, as I had discussed in the previous session in the post market analysis, so I had told Nifty will be bullish above the range. Above this range, Nifty will be bullish and it would cover the gap. So Nifty has covered a gap. It had a slow consolidated up move, not much of a movement after a big gap up. So that usually happens when the market gives a big gap up. Market usually remains sideways. So this is a slow consolidated up move, not much of a movement. So in the coming sessions, we could expect Nifty to perform in the similar way. If Nifty in the next trading session, we'll wait for the first 15-minute candle. If it is bullish, market has to start making price action in the upward direction for us to stay in our bullish trades. So this is our bullish side, and if market comes, if there is a slight gap down or something like that, so if we are getting a bearish momentum, market could come back inside the range and we'll wait for the market to break the range again. So we'll not be taking much trades inside the range. So this is our Nifty overview for today and the coming trading sessions. You could plan your trades according to this. And if we come down to Bank Nifty after a huge gap up, Bank Nifty has not moved a lot. It had a slow consolidation today. The whole day was consolidated in one range. Except for the first 15-minute candle, Bank Nifty did not show any momentum at all. So Bank Nifty is yet to break the range. So we will expect serious bullishness in Bank Nifty above this level. So in the next trading sessions, if there is bullishness in the global cues, even our Indian market should perform well. So this is our overview on Bank Nifty. We'll come down to 1 day time frame for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, we can expect a movement if the market stays bullish. We can expect a movement till 39,700 levels, 600 points from here. We could expect that movement. And market, we can plan our trades accordingly. So we'll come down to 15 minutes again. So 15-minute candle closing above this range, we can go for bullish trades in Bank Nifty. So this is for Bank Nifty, and we'll look at a couple of stocks which we can plan our trades in. So McDowell's is our first stock. So McDowell's has given a green candle closing above the trend line. So McDowell's has given a very good closing. So this will be our short-term target. We'll be looking at a target of around 930 for McDowell's in the short term. So McDowell's has been in a consolidation from the past 1.5 years in the same range, and it has given a good breakout today. So we'll be looking at McDowell's and you can plan your trades accordingly. And our next stock will be Bajaj Finserv. We'll look at Bajaj Finserv in the 4-hour time frame. So Bajaj Finserv has formed a kind of a W pattern in 4-hour time frame. So this is the W pattern which I'm talking about. So we can plan our trades accordingly if we get a green candle closing above the range on a 30-minute time frame. On a 30-minute time frame, if we are able to get a green candle closing, we'll be trading in Bajaj Finserv. So our short-term target should be around 1780 levels on Bajaj Finserv. So these are the two stocks and Bank Nifty and Nifty's overview for today. Thank you guys.